Treat you is a reflection of how you treated me. You are the man, I am the woman. You lead, I follow. You bring something to the table, I'ma always add to it because I got my own. But don't ever get too comfortable with me. Don't ever think, oh, she got it. She could do this by herself and you supposed to be with me. It's not going to happen like that. If you ever decide to take a ride and you want to park on me and turn your hazards on, don't be mad when I hop in the next ride, boo. Baby, 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 baby. You know what I'm craving from a baby.
This leather head. I don't want to brag. Welcome back to my channel. Keep babies and keep popping. Yes, it's almost fall, y'all. Even though we got some hot days. I know Texas is hot. A lot of places is hot, but I've lived in Texas for a long time. So it's almost time for fall. So right now, Fashion Nova, not a sponsored video, as we already noticed. It's not sponsored, but they have buy one get one free. So baby, guess what Queen Key 83 did? So you know what your girl did? I hot right out them sales, okay? Stop playing. And the jacket's in a 2X because I got big arms, of course. And so, why them hands so big? Look at this. They big. They big. And I think I got these. Did I get these in a 14? I think I got these in a 16. That's what I think I did. Because I was scared that I didn't know what size I was. But I should have got a 14. Look at that. Maybe even a 12, maybe. Because I got a lot of room. But I guess a lot of women like their pants to be like this in the back. I'm not sure. But the jacket was like $44, and I think the pants were $39. So this is I got on my socks, y'all. I keep pulling the pants up. So hopefully you can see it. I like the way it fits. And I was like, let me show it with a shirt like this on because I could wear a bodysuit with this. And I got my tummy out. Y'all see me? I act like I got a flat stomach. Stop playing with me. I'm loving my body. I'm loving my skin. And you should do the same, ladies or men. I got to put this down so y'all can see him. He stay posted. He stay next to me, baby. I'm telling you. Top. For the next, I'm gonna take a picture of this body because I feel sexy. Cause you just right for me. And I don't care about your past. On to the next outfit. Well, this shirt I got from Shein, okay? That's a whole nother outfit. I think I did a video on the Shein haul. These is what I got from Fashion Nova. These jeans. Okay. I have a jacket that I got for my birthday, go with a skirt. I believe they're the same, like, color. So I got it to match. But I don't like these. I don't like the pants. Like, I cannot stand pants like this. And these are in a 16. I don't like that. That's the only thing I don't like. And I think every pants I keep putting on, they're big. These are big. I guess it's okay because it'll be like the fall, winter time when I do wear them. So if I gotta wear some like leggings under because it's cold, because it's gonna get real cold here, baby. Get below 0 here. So I think it'll be okay. So I'm not too mad about the size that I get. So I think it'll be alright. But this is how they fit and look. Y'all can tell me what y'all think in the comments. Like I said, remember, this is buy one, get one free. So I got another pair for free. I don't even think it got the price on here, how much I paid for it. I don't think so. Oh, no. It is say the size. We know it's the 16. Okay, on to the next thing, y'all.
That it makes me feel, and if I am a reflection, I'll finally find, cause it's not hard for me to understand him, cause he's so much like me. But it's God's gift to breathe the air he breathes. Oh, it's a true reflection of him. Then I must be like no, cause there's a blessing in every lesson, and I'm glad that I don't at all.
Y'all know when I come out with something else, I gotta come with a song. I gotta come with a vibe because it's how I feel. I love trying on new clothes. I love it. Let me push this back. I'm like, it keeps seeming like it's down, like it keeps going down further and further. Okay, there we go. Okay. So these are 14. I love the way they fit on me, okay? I still got room. And I'm not sucking in nothing.
I'm not sucking shit in.
Why?
Real stomachs is coming the fuck back, okay?
And I ain't doing it. Anyways, I have to keep pulling. I need a belt. I need a belt on with them. But yeah, where they can stay up. Cause maybe I'm losing my butt. I don't know. Because they're not staying up like I would think. But they're cute though. I do like them. I'm 14. And like I said, buy one, get one. I said buy one, get one. Okay, let me go on to the next thing. Y'all know I'm silly. I hope y'all feeling my hair. I hope y'all feeling it. This is a drawstring ponytail. I put it together. I got it from Amazon. I like the color of it. Okay, so I had to keep my deals for the end of the video. Y'all already know how I am and how I get so excited about, I'm a clearance baby. As everybody know, people that's new here, they don't know that. I am a clearance baby. You're gonna know when you see maybe a rainbow haul, a Shein. I love the clearance section, okay, of any store if possible. But I got these shorts, I think they were like $8. They're size 14. They for next year, you know what I'm saying? They are 14, and they're gonna have them cheeks out. So, I'm ready. I guess I might calm down on the sugar for the winter, maybe a little bit. So this will be like a little bit where they can pop out more. You know, like sucked in, and this pop out, suck in, pop out, suck in, pop out. Maybe it's my little own workout, right? Suck in, pop out. What I just do? See, I forget. Suck in, pop out, suck in, pop out, suck in, pop out, suck in, pop out. Okay, that's gonna be a little dance. I might have to do a little twerk section. So this is how you start twerking. Get your spirit fingers. Let me stop playing with y'all. And let me go on to the next thing.
With the fire we made, it's getting hotter than away. No, we can't stay.
Okay, so I had a pair of pants on like this because when I ordered them, I didn't know which one matched my jacket that I got. And I'm going to show you a clip of my jacket right here or right over here. So I'm going to show you a clip of the jacket I'm talking about. So I ordered 2 pair of pants that looked like, I don't know what Thudi had going on their way. He was up here drinking his water. And I interrupted that, I guess. But I like the way these fit better than the ones I had on earlier. I like these. I still got to wear a belt. Still, because of this right here, I still got to wear a belt no matter what. But I like these better. I like the way they fit. And these are, I believe, a 14 or a 16. These might be a 16. And I would not pair these shoes with that. I mean, you probably could, but I wouldn't. They were the shoes I had out, so I just put them on. Because Thudi had water all over the floor, y'all. And Thudi is my dog, if you've seen in the video. But what y'all think about these pants? I think these pants will match better though. I rate these a 10. I ain't rate none of my clothes. I guess when I edit the video, I'll put it up there where I thought a 10, a 9, a 0. I'll let y'all know, I guess, when I post it. I need to get with the program. But I rate these a 10. I like these. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, this is like a short commercial break inside of the Fashion Nova fall haul video. I wanted to go over the receipt with y'all for a second. I'm trying to find it. Because I wanted to give y'all like an idea of how much I paid. Altogether, it was like $175 for everything that I got. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. The black shorts I had on was $5, $4.98. I said it was a clearance, baby. And the two, the scope, I don't know what they was. I think they was like the gray pants, the two different gray pants. They were $18, $13 a piece. And then the jackets were $44 a piece, but they broke it down in price, so the jacket was $27 and the pants was $21. I guess in case you had to return anything, everything has a price on it. You didn't get it for free. You see what I'm saying? Like if you return the pants, they won't give you nothing for that. You see what I'm saying? You'll get something for it, even though that wasn't the same price as the pants or the jacket. Like I said, the jacket was $44, but they got it for $27, $21. So it wasn't buy one get one. Why am I talking like they sponsoring me? Like who cares? I find myself doing too much all the time. You know that I find myself just doing too much. So let me go back to the video. And I hope y'all feeling it. I hope y'all subscribe to my channel. Did you? I don't know if you subscribe. Like you keep looking at me. But did you subscribe? Okay, I'm out. Let me go ahead and go back to the video. Enjoy yourself.
I ain't got no you, ain't no nigga, ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. Fuck it. Turned up in my shows, yeah. Cause I got that beat. I ain't 60,000 bands, can't see. Watch out with some boxes, shorts. I'm showing off my moose now. I'm feeling good today. I'm out there. And the black ass nigga with white ass. He gon' drop that neck. He know the way I sit. Turned up with my bitch. Turned up in my shows, yeah. Cause I got that beat.
Hey y'all, this is my favorite so far. I don't like half. I know I gotta keep pulling up every pair of pants I get. I know I need a belt. I like these a lot, a whole lot. It's the fact that you gotta keep pulling the pants up, and the pants are above, like on my stomach. I don't know why they like that. It doesn't bother me that it's on my stomach. Every pair of pants I wear, because I want to cover this up. So this could be like a what is this? The little stomach things? Yeah, they can just take, like, suck it in a little bit. But I don't care. I love my rolls. I will show my rolls all the time. Don't you know? But part of it, I don't like this for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe because it doesn't do no for my little booty I get. I guess it doesn't do nothing for me. But I still like the outfit no matter what. Because it's a two-tone blue jean outfit. Cute. So tell me what y'all think. I will give it a 9. And I'll zip it up or keep it unzipped. It don't even matter to me, baby. And I'm going to give me a nice little shirt with this. But on to the next outfit, y'all. Let me turn around. Give it a 360.
Baby, drop your location, I'm coming to find you. Don't like the past, but let me get behind you. I am that guy for real, must I remind you?
What y'all think in the comments of all of the outfits? Or I mean, all of the jeans, really, because this is like a fall haul, buy one, get one free from Fashion Nova. Not sponsored.
Games, man, give me way to control it. Got me feeling like I can't breathe, I can't even hang with the phone. When I did all I could do, we wanted more. Yeah. Why you gotta be? You got niggas in your face, I'll never let you go to waste. You're my treasure, baby, not my trash.
That was the perfect song to come on. I just got a playlist going, y'all. I don't have a certain song with certain things I'm coming out here with. That could be the next song that comes on when I'm in here changing. That was a perfect song though. Especially, y'all see it. Yes, I'm all out of them. Call me Heartless Key. I might change my name to Heartless Key instead of Queen Key 83 for real. Okay, so I believe this shirt, the shirt's like $8.99 maybe. $8.99 or $9.99. Something like that. And it's another pair of jeans. These are size 14. I still don't like this part. I do not know why they had their pants like that. I do not know. The back, why they act like they too big? These are 14. They tight right here, but they loose right here. So I'm still gonna have to wear a belt to keep them up, or I need a bigger booty. I don't know how to weigh it out. I'm just playing, I'm not getting no bigger booty. I'm keeping what my mama gave me. What y'all see? I like it. I like this. I might not would pair this with this, but hey, it's what I put on for the time being. What y'all think about these jeans? Like I said, it was buy one, get one free. I don't know if they still got that going on because I ordered it. Hold on. Let me back it up just a second. Let me tell you about how I ordered this stuff off of Fashion Nova. It took 2 weeks to come. Did I pay for 2 weeks? No. Did they give me a $10 gift card? I thought I was going to shut up. No, they gave me one, but I'm not gonna shut up. But I'm just not gonna order from them for a long time. Like I think I ordered from Fashion Nova maybe last year, and I think it was for Halloween. It was a Halloween costume. They wasn't even last year. What did I order from Fashion Nova? I think the last time I ordered anything from Fashion Nova is when I was in Texas. That was like 2 years ago. That's how long it been. That's horrible. But anyways, I hope y'all like this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I said, what are you waiting for? Are you all out of 2? Now go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You will see more videos like this. I'm just keeping it real. This is uncut. This is me. This is me. This is how I am. So don't forget to like, hey, comment, and subscribe. Hey, I said like, comment, and subscribe. Hey. Okay, I'm out. Be safe.